Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So, you guys always ask me in the Facebook group or in comment that how you can able to get the AI voice in your videos. I mean the custom robot voice in your videos, how you can make this. There are a lot of tools, paid tools, what gives the access for free for at least 1 minute or 2 minute highest, and they want to charge for that. I had also made a video earlier that how you can get a free text-to-speech software, but that's our really old method and require much more task. So that's why today I will show you a simple, easy and a free way that you can get unlimited text-to-speech voice for your videos. You can record and download all the video voices you create with just text. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video, and we make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also click here and join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates related to digital marketing and other useful stuff of what actually needed. Anyway, so jump to our main video. So here the site we are going to visit is called AI. Okay, so this site will help us to create unlimited text-to-speech voices. So let's check this site again. uberduck.ai. It's an artificial website, and if you just click here and try to choose your voice, select the voice, you can see there are unlimited number of celebrity voices and voice of the famous pop culture guys and characters from cartoons like Ed and Eddie, Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes cartoons, from characters from game like the GTA 5. Okay, so you will get all the character voices here. And okay, so here you can see this is Scooby-Doo. It's a popular cartoon show. So here the characters of this show, you can see here. You can see that Fred, Scooby, Shaggy. So Shaggy is one of the most popular guy of that TV show. Now here, what to write? Okay, before you write anything or get the audio, make sure that you sign in with your Google account or any Discord account. So there's two options. So for the first time I will start with a Google account. It's up to you. You can start with Google account or Discord account. So our website is ready, you can see, and here let's type hello, it's me, nikson. You can follow me in Instagram and ask okay, so I just write a simple thing here, and let's try to get the audio. So just here click this option and wait for the result. You can see that our audio is ready, so we can download it or we can just play here. It's up to you. So let's play this one.
Hello, it's me, Nixon. You can follow me in Facebook or in Instagram and ask whatever you want. Have a great day.
You heard that sound? If you didn't, so let's listen again.
Hello, it's me, Nixon. You can follow me in Facebook or in Instagram and ask whatever you want. Have a great day.
Okay, now you can create another voice or sound with this text. Let's try with for actors, and let's see Patrick Stewart and all the actors you will get here. There is no option for search, so you have to scroll down and find out whatever and who you want to type in your text. So select Shrek. It's taking some time to load, and here is our audio.
Hello, it's me, Nixon. You can follow me on Facebook or on Instagram and ask whatever you want. Have a great day.
We can start with the Sonic and synchronize. These two are our previous clips, and it's the new clip.
Hello, it's me, Nixon. You can follow me on Facebook or on Instagram and ask whatever you want. Have a great day. Hello, it's me, Nixon. You can follow...
Okay, so it's a funny thing. You can play with this as many times as you want. So that is all from the video. I hope you like and share this video. Thank you.